Hello, this is Yinqi Huang. I'm doing the homework 3, problem 1. In this problem, first we want to find out what's the value of b. In this problem, the probability of x equals k equals to b multiply k multiply p, the power p to the power of k minus 1. And if we want to find out what's the value of b, we know that if we sum this up from 0 to infinite, the sum of this one should be 1, should equals to 1. So in this problem, firstly, we know if we sum up p to the power of k and k equals k from 0 to infinite, it should be 1 plus p square root until infinite, and the answer of this will be 1 over 1 minus p. If we do the differentiating to both sides of p, and it will be k multiply p to the power of k minus 1, and this side is this one, and it will be, so the answer, for this part it will equals to 1 minus p square root and 1 over this one. So the answer for the first question, it will be b over 1 minus p square root equals to 1. So we can get b equals to 1 minus p square root. And this is the first one. The second one, we want to calculate ex. And ex equals to k multiply p x equals to k, and we sum them up, k from 0 to infinite, and it will be b multiply k square root p to the power of k minus 1. And in order to find out what's the value of this part, we can firstly, we notice that we already know this, and if we multiply both sides with a p, and this one will equals to this one. And if we differentiate both sides with p, so for this equation, it will be this one. And we noticed that this part equals to this part, so we just need to multiply the value of b, and we will get our answer. So the answer will be 1 plus p over 1 minus p, and this is the answer for the ex. And the third problem is to find out the value of ex square root, and ex square root equals to k square root multiply p x equals to k, and it equals to this part. And we noticed that for the previous question, we know that k square root p to the power of k minus 1 equals to this one. And if we multiply both sides with a p, and we get this. And if we differentiate both sides with a p, we will get k to the power of 3 multiply p to the power of k minus 1, and if we sum them up, we will get this one equals to this one. And we noticed that this part equals to this part, so we just multiply b. As the previous question, we did the same thing. And for this problem, ex square root equals to 1 plus 4 multiply p plus p square root over 1 minus p square root. So this is problem 3. Problem 4. is ex square root minus ex square root. And we already know what is ex square root, and we already know what is ex. So we just use the value we get in the previous questions, and we will get the answer. And problem 5, we want to know if P equals to 1 over 3 and B equals to 1 minus P square root, that is 4 over 9. And we want to calculate if given x larger or equals to 2 and less or equal to 5, and the probability of x equals to k. This one equals to this one. This is a conditional probability, and we can calculate this part, k from 2 to 5, and we will get that this part equals to 0.537, and for this part we will get, because P equals to K equals to B multiply K multiply P over to the power of K over K minus 1. So B equals to 4 over 9 and P equals to 1 over 3, and we will get the answer for the question 5. So this is for homework 3, problem 1. Thank you.